Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide.
For the vehicles listed at the bottom of your screen.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your vehicle's body. Remove any lines and power harnesses from the rear of the frame. Step 3. Cut the rivets holding the rear body mount in place and clear the studs from the holes with a hammer and punch. Step 4. Grind the work area free of frame rot, rust, and debris, and spray the work area with rust inhibitor. Bolt in the replacement mount using the included hardware. You will need a 14mm socket for the bolts and a 15mm wrench for the nuts. Step 5. Paint the body mount and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall any fuel lines and power harnesses, then lower and reinstall the body. Now, get back out on the road.